when you see.
So you can transpose this song to the key of C.
Aloha my kako ukulele friends, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Steven Espaniola, and on this channel we cover a book called the He Mele Aloha book. I have that right here. Mine is falling apart because I use it so often. But this is a book that is an incredible resource for Hawaii music. It covers hundreds of beautiful Hawaiian classic songs, but it doesn't have any notation or a transcription, so it's hard to, unless you grew up in Hawaii, like myself, it's hard to decipher these songs because there's no notation, no tablature or anything like that. I'm here to help walk you through these songs and hopefully make sense of them. And it occurred to me, actually it didn't really occur to me because I thought I already did this song on the channel. So big mahalo nui Rachel for the suggestion. One of my favorite classic Hapa haole songs from the island of Kauai, which if you know this channel, you know that I'm very fond of the island of Kauai on the Hanalei side. And it's a song called Hanalei Moon. Not really any, maybe very minimal Hawaiian language in this song. So it should be very easy. This video is more of, I would say, like a sing-along as opposed to our typical videos. We would have ʻukulele Hawaiʻi or Hawaiian language down below, and I would help you through that. This is all in English, so it's very easy. You may have noticed I've been absent from this channel for a little while. I am in the studio trying to knock out my third album, so I really don't know how frequent these will come, but I promise I'll try to knock these out as I get to them. So thank you for being patient. Let's get into the song. We're gonna do just a single strum, just a single up and down, just like that. Okay, but it's gonna be in the key of F, not the key of C. And this is in the He Mele Aloha book. For those of you following along, page 40 of the He Mele Aloha book. And beautiful song by Bob Nelson. And go ahead and pull it up right here. Beautiful Hapa haole song by Bob Nelson. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. The chords are going to be F. Okay, G7. Okay, C7. D7. This is the Hawaiian D7 for those of you who have been here before and those of you who have not. Okay, F sharp diminished. Okay, and then we also have B flat. Okay, fairly simple song. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a movable diminished here and there, and that's how you play a movable diminished. I'm gonna do a whole other video on that, so I'm not gonna get too bogged down into that. So if you wanna know how to play this, I'll just quickly show you. Index finger on the 4th string 2nd fret. Okay, I don't know if it's focusing. Index finger on the 4th string 2nd fret. Middle finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. Then we have the ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and the pinky on the 1st string 3rd fret. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna throw that in here and there. Feel free to join me if you want to. It's not in the official chords of the song. Okay. So we're just gonna do a single strum. Up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Heavy on the 2 and 4, so we can swing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The cool thing is that you can actually use the classic strum for this, and if you've joined some of my videos in the past, the classic strum is very simple. It's just a down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down strum. So down, up, down, up, down, and the two are actually very interchangeable. So you don't feel free to go ahead and insert that classic strum here and there. You can go from the classic strum to the single strum, back to the classic strum, single strum. Let's just dive right in. There's no ʻukulele Hawaiʻi to cover, so it's all in English. I'm still gonna have the English language right down here, so you can follow along if you don't have the He Mele Aloha book. Okay. I'm gonna do a sort of a fancy vamp. There's two vamps that you can do. You can either do G7, C7, F, or you can do a F to the diminish, B flat, C7, okay? You know which one I'm gonna do. When you see Hanalei by moonlight, you will be in heaven by the sea. Every breeze, every wave will whisper, you are mine, don't ever go away. We're gonna go back to that C7. Here we go, chorus. Hanalei Moon is lighting, beloved Kauai. Hanalei Moon, aloha no vau ia oe. Back to the C7 one more time. When you see Hanalei by moonlight, you will be in heaven. Classic strum. By the sea. Back to single strum. Every breeze, every wave will whisper, you are mine, don't ever go away. Hanalei Moon is lighting, beloved Kauai. Hanalei Moon, aloha no vau ia oe. Aloha no vau ia oe. One more time. Aloha no vau ia. B flat. Hanalei Moon. Alright, good job you guys. The other cool thing about this song is it's easily transposable to other keys, like the key of C. When you see Hanalei by moonlight, D7, you will be in heaven, G7, by the sea. Every breeze, C, every wave will whisper. Back to D7, very simple. You are mine, don't ever go away. And then the chorus section will be Hanas, A7, D7, Hanalei Moon, G7 is lighting, beloved. Back to the F, Kauai, and then repeat. So very, very simple song to transpose. Don't be afraid to experiment. And you know, let me know how you guys are doing. You can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. I'm at Steven Espaniola. Also on Twitter. Also go to my website, www.stevenespaniola.com, just to, you know, find out what's going on with me. You know, I'm going to hopefully put another one out in the next month or so, but don't hold your breath. I am working on another album, so please wish me luck on that. Hopefully it'll be out by the end of the year. And I really want to thank you guys for sticking with me and following these videos, learning the ukulele, spreading the love of the ukulele. I'll see you guys in the next one. Malama pono kako, a hui ho, and take care.